Welcome to my YouTube channel Safety Guidelines. I am Fahim Azam. The topic for this video is very interesting and informative. It is very special as it is related to basic concepts of scaffolding in construction industry. Let's move on. Please do watch it thoroughly until the end to get benefits of this video. Scaffolding, also called scaffold or staging, is a temporary structure used to support a work crew and materials to aid in the construction, maintenance, and repair of buildings, bridges, and all other man-made structures. Types of scaffolds. Workers who use scaffolds can be divided into three groups. Number 1, suspended scaffolds. Number 2, supported scaffolds. Number 3, aerial lifts. We shall develop and share more videos on scaffold related topics like its components and types. Scaffolding inspection rules. Most injuries can be prevented by following scaffolding safety precautions. Number 1, fall protection. Number 2, guardrail height. Number 3, cross bracing. Number 4, mid rails. Number 5, footings. Number 6, platforms. Number 7, guying ties and braces. Number 8, capacity. Number 9, training. Number 10, inspections. Let's discuss one by one. Fall protection. Employees that are more than 6 feet off the ground need to be protected by using fall arrest systems or guardrails, except for employees that are on single point and 2-point adjustable suspension scaffolds. These employees should be protected by using both guardrails and a personal fall arrest system. Guardrail height. Guardrails are visible and physical barriers used for preventing falls from heights. The height of the scaffold's top rail that was manufactured and used in service should fall between 38 to 45 inches. Cross bracing. Cross bracing is a technique in the construction industry whereas braces are crossed to support framed structures such as scaffolding. Using this technique makes frames and structures sturdy and is able to support and hold heavy loads. As a standard, cross point of cross bracing used as a top rail should be between 38 to 48 inches above the work platform. Mid rails. Mid rails are the middle bars in the rails of scaffolding. It ensures that a worker does not fall through. This has to be installed approximately midway between the top rail and the platform surface. The cross point of cross bracing used as mid rail should be between 20 to 30 inches above the work platform. Footings. Scaffold footings have to be leveled and have the capacity to support the loaded scaffold. The legs, poles, frames, and other upright components should carry the weight of the base plates and mud sills. Platforms. OSHA requires that scaffold platforms should be fully planked or decked and have proper guardrails, midrails, and toe boards along its open sides. It should be regularly cleaned and properly cleared to prevent accidents caused by slipping off. Guying ties and braces. Guys, ties, and braces are used to provide additional support for workers when using scaffoldings to prevent tipping. It should be installed according to the scaffold manufacturer's recommendation or when the base reaches a height ratio of 4:1. Capacity. This refers to the loading capacity of scaffolding equipment. It is required that every scaffold and its component should be able to withstand support 4 times the maximum intended load without failure. Training. OSHA requires employers to provide training for each employee involved in scaffold work. The scaffold should include number 1, proper handling and use of the scaffold and the materials on it. Number 2, hazards associated, for example, electrical, fall and falling objects to the type of scaffold being used. Number 3, methods of controlling and minimizing those hazards. Number 4, maximum intended load and load carrying capacities of scaffolds being used. Number 5, and other relevant requirements for scaffoldings. Inspections. It is required that a visual inspection be conducted by a competent person before the start of every shift and after conducting work. Identifying defects through regular inspections can help minimize and eliminate hazards that can affect the structural integrity of the scaffolding and threaten the safety of the worker and the workplace. Tagging. There are 2 main types of scaffold tags, red tag and green tag. Red tag indicates that a scaffold structure is either unsafe or incomplete, whereas green scaffolding tag indicates that a structure is safe and ready to use. Yellow tag. The yellow tag means caution. When it comes to tagging scaffold, these will replace the green tags if a scaffold has been modified for work requirements. If the scaffold could present a hazard, a yellow tag is used, which means workers should proceed with caution. Normally have to use full body harness. Thanks for watching my video. The topic was discussed is not fully covered. My team shall share more videos on relevant subject. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video clips. Press the bell icon to receive notification for further video clips. Thanks again. Have a good time. Bye.